out wow the food we carry home for me last night. Babe, it look good. I can't wait. Yeah. Well, the last thing me hear, Casey a lead. Of course. I'm more interested in the tracks than football, babe. I used to do it when I was younger. In a 7th grade. I'm going to stop doing it when I'm in 8th grade. I can bet some faster than you. Alright. One of them day, me I go do a race. I go win you. Babe, yeah, come home early this evening? Yeah, I forgot training. Come home early, and me will show you. Yeah, come home early? Yes! Alright, babe, make sure you come home early. Don't tell me no lie, you know? Alright, babe, when you come home, you gotta see. Stop going to see me. You gotta see. Alright, babe. Bye.
You see me? How much of the area you have? Say I detect no more tampering from make the report. I loop the dead, brother. And I tell you, some see bike a pass repeatedly, man. No, she never get the screen recorded. That I think no. You see when we go to boom and run back the feed, we couldn't find back the loop after that. Alright, brother. Me I beg you, just stay on this. Alright, cool. Boy, T. German I say him can't find the loops there.
May I try to create something for record the loop when it come in. That way there, I can analyze it and see who are tapping.
So in our system you can see everything?
Yeah, I see a gun inside. And I see the man outside a cutter yard.
You see anything strange?
Nope. Nothing strange. Everything will work alright.
So you can see German instrument in our system?
Yeah, I can see one other instrument log on.
And you see nobody else connected to it.
No, just agency property.
I beg you stay in our system, yeah? Because I feel more comfortable with 2 eyes.
Alright, no problem. You know I got you, brother.
Yeah, man, call it the laptop. We know when time to turn it on. Anybody will chase this? Yeah, man, I send them far and wide. No matter.
So when last I talked to Barcy? Hold on. What? That work, man. Alright, team, I shout you back.
Whisper, awa. Somebody did it?
Yeah, team. Me talk to you later, yeah?
Who? A Vanessa?
Alright, you are. Look more.
Hold on there. Mama call you back.
Patsy. Where the bitch they come from? What the hell are those serious?
She still in her house? After all what I tell her?
What's that gonna be in there?
Morning time.
Good morning. I'm just there to collect some things on my left.
Just like that. I'm not hear from you for weeks. And you tell me say just turn up now. Say you fall the things where you left inside here.
Friend, what do I need to lie to myself, alright? It's obviously your headspace got up elsewhere. And I think you're forgetting that I can hear things.